All right, guys, we found the Thinkware booth.
So T700 is using LTE category 4 technology, so which gives you same data speed like in our mobile phones. So that using that one, we can do like a vehicle location check and then live video streaming. I installed one of my T700 sample outside at the Westgate Hotel parking lot. Then I'm calling live streaming view from T700 to my mobile phone. Then you see like this. So you see that there is a car is moving, right? So imagine that if there is an event happens while you're parked, then I am going to receive an event notice. Then at the time, by the time we can do live streaming video play to check what's going on near to my car. And then that is not only during the parking mode, also during the daytime driving. If there is a DB impact alert happens, DB impact meaning is the actual accident, the scene. Then we're gonna receive that, the DB impact alert. Then we're gonna check with the live streaming video playback home, and we're gonna see what happened. Of course, before we do that, then we're gonna call the driver. And one condition, because it's like our cloud feature models, we have to share my Thinkware cloud account information with, let's say, my close friend or my beloved family members. Then they are the one receive that notification. And device itself, there is a SOS button. So let's say if we install this device to our elderly family members, like our grandparents, or in my case my father is already really elderly. In that case, if my father kind of they feel really uncomfortable, or they becoming his health consciousness is not good, then he can push SOS button. Then I am going to receive that situation. Then I can call my father, and then SOS notification is including the location information, so then I can call 911 to send them to that location. Of course, I have to drive there too. Even I can do it here. Yeah. My father is in Korea.
Nice, very cool.
And the main difference between the LTE category 4 and LTE Cat M1, LTE category 4, as I said, this one is sending out data like our mobile phones. We can do video streaming and sending out big files. But LTE Cat M1 is only able to send out small data, like some photocopies, then location information. That's all. That's why we think that that user scenario we cannot really do over driving mode. While we're driving. So instead we think back, and what if we do that the connectivity over platform? I see. Some people like to see what happened while they park their car outside. In that case, you just saw that this lightning, meaning it's event, because I just trigger event like that. And then that one is sending event here. Like that with the photocopies. You see? So when that event happens, our device is, they take a screenshot and then sending it to app, and then app is making this motion JP like that.
Wow. All right, Jade, can you tell us about the Blade?
Yeah, so this is our current prototype for the Blade dash cam that we are currently developing. So it's not the official body as of yet, but the big difference between this dash cam and the rest of our current lineup is that this camera has the ability to connect to head units. So here we're showcasing it in the BMW M3. So
navigation is not active.
Should pop up. So this will be able to see the live view, change all these settings and such on
is not active.
the screen itself. There we go. And just tap here. It will pop up with the live view of the dash cam. We just give it a couple more seconds. Should go
awesome.
full screen. So this will be compatible with any Android head units, Apple CarPlay as well. and we are able to tap into the kernel to make this compatible with BMWs also.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Hey, I'm with Aiden. He's the digital marketer from Thinkware, and he's actually going to be telling us more about what's upcoming featuring the 4-channel dash cam from Thinkware.
Yeah, so we're excited to announce that we have the 4-channel dash cam. So it consists of 2 exterior cameras, 1 rear camera, and then the main unit itself. The main unit is a LCD unit, and you are able to change between the different channels just by touching on the channel. And a great feature that the 4-channel has compared to our previous cameras is actually the low latency. So you're able to use this as a backup camera or a blind spot monitoring system as well.
So these side cameras, they're installed externally, right?
Exactly, yeah. So the idea behind these side cameras, depending on the make and model of the vehicle, you can either have them in the edge of the front fender or underneath the rear view, the side mirrors as well. Yeah. And we have changed them to black versus when we showed them at SEMA a couple months ago, they were silver. So they're a bit easier to paint or color match as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. And you said this is a 1080p camera, right?
Correct, yeah. So it's 4 channels, and then all the channels are 1080p.
Yeah.
This is our blind spot monitoring system. This is meant for commercial vehicles. This doesn't do any recording. This is just strictly for blind spot monitoring. So this is the main unit, and everything hooks up to the main unit, and then we have the wireless receivers that are connected to these cameras here.
So the idea behind these is designed for truckers.
Exactly.
And they would install like another dash cam on top of these.
Yep. Exactly.